Hi guys, so here's the practice for I can diagram adjectives and adverbs. So we're starting with many people use computers regularly. So who is the sentence about? People. We're going to draw people, draw our baseline, draw our bisecting line, and we ask ourselves, what are the people doing they use? And then the next part is to diagram the direct object. So what are they using? Use what? Computers. Computers a noun? Yes, it is. We draw our line, it touches the baseline, does not cross, and we write computers. Now we have two words left over. Where do they go? People. How many people? Many people. Adjective. Draw a diagonal line, and we draw many with a capital M because it started the sentence. Now we have regularly. Regularly ends in an ly. Typically, the adverbs end in ly. So some people might be tempted to write it next to computers because it's close to computers, but it's really telling us how often we use the computers. So it's telling us more about using than what type of computers. So we're going to draw regularly underneath use. Okay, just to clarify, adverbs modify or tell us more about verbs typically, but also other types of speech. So we're going to keep going. Number two, ancient people used wild plums. What's the sentence about? People. Draw our baseline, draw our bisecting line. What are the people doing? They used. Then we ask, used what? Plums. Not wild plums, plums. Okay, we have two words left over. Ancient is telling us more about what? About the people. Okay, keep it capitalized because it started the sentence. And what type of plums? Wild plums. Diagonal line, and you draw your wild. And that completes example number two. All right, example number three has everything. Okay, here we go. Most people had never seen a worse flood. What's the sentence about? People. Okay, our baseline, our bisecting line. What is the main verb and helping verb here? Remember, they're going to try to trick you. It's had seen. That's what they're doing. They had seen. Had seen what? Flood. And we got quite a few words left over. Does it tell us more about the people? Yes, it says most people. Draw a diagonal line, draw most, capital M, and then we're going to look at never. Never is telling us how often they saw it. They never saw it. So that's the adverb. Never. Since it's telling us more about the verb, it goes there. That's the function. And then last part, flood. What type of flood? A worse flood. So we start with because it was the first word in the sentence there. And then worse because it was the second word describing flood. And this completes the adjectives and adverbs sentences. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. This is Miss Kelly signing off.